guys, welcome back to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great, and for today's video I am back with another Urbanic haul, and this time I've got some really cute, very Pinteresty soft girl aesthetic sort of tops, dresses and a few bottoms as well. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, before starting the haul, I'll just share how I finalized the pieces that I want to get from Urbanic, which would fit me perfectly. So like I mentioned in my previous video, I always look up for the size chart since every product has a completely different sizing. It is not just one size fits all. So that's one thing, and I have noticed this personally that if I ignore the sizing given on the size chart, then it ends up being super loose even if I buy extra small, which I generally do. But yeah, this is just something that I always keep in mind while buying anything from Urbanic for that matter. And we'll start with tops first and then proceed further. So the first top that I have is this pink beautiful top. This is like major Barbie core vibe, and the fitting of this top looks stunning, as you all can see. It is sort of like a scarf top. The fabric has a little bit of sheen, so the color is day and night friendly as well, so you can style it however you like it. This next top is one of my favorites, and this is this white top. It is a georgette top with frill detailing, and absolutely love the flower design around the neck. It just makes it so much prettier. The top is a bit loose since it is a backless top, so पीछे से it just becomes थोड़ा सा deep, but overall मतलब I wouldn't say it is like completely loose and I cannot wear it as it is, but it looks so beautiful yaar. Matlab major Pinterest soft girl aesthetic vibe. After that I have this blue faux fur top. Now this again looks very pretty, and the fitting is genuinely very good. The quality of the top is really nice, and you get like beaded straps for it as well, so you can wear it as a tube top, or you can just add the straps and make it like a spaghetti top as well. They actually had some beautiful colors in this top as well. I have literally resisted myself for not buying a pink fur top because there's like a lot of pink in my wardrobe, but this blue top is also very pretty. This next top is again one of my favorites, and I was very skeptical how it would fit, and that is this white corset top. Now the lace detailing on this top is very delicate and intricate as well. The color combinations and everything is just very pastel, very cute, very soft girl aesthetic vibe as well. This next top is again one of my favorites. I'm sorry to say like all of my tops are favorite, but yeah, बहुत सुंदर tops and they just fit me so beautifully, so I'm very happy with it as it is. So the next top is this blue and white floral print top. Again, this is like a tube top that has a neck tie-up, and the flower detailing is just so beautiful. Absolutely love the print. It is very subtle, very pastel, and again soft girl aesthetic Pinteresty vibe of the top. So pretty, and the fitting is also genuinely nice. All of the tops have a very unique design, and it is just very Pinteresty all over, so I absolutely love them. Now for bottoms, I got two skirts. If you guys have seen my previous video, you guys would know that I got a skirt last time as well. So the first one that I have here is this black skirt. Now this is just a different color of the beige skirt that I got last time, and again the fitting is very nice. It just fits perfectly as high waist, and yeah, skirt and skirts, it just looks very classy. The fabric is also very beautiful and sturdy as well. Ekdam basic se design hai, and it is definitely a must-have wardrobe piece for me. It can be styled in multiple ways, and you'll be very comfortable wearing it since it is a short that looks like a skirt, so just perfect. So now since I have basic colors in my wardrobe, I obviously had to add a color as well, so I went with this lime green skirt. Iska na thoda sa different design hai than the previous two, and the length is also a bit short. The fabric is also completely different, but again a very good fabric, and the lime green color is not too out there. Matlab it is very bright but not just like too out there as well. Now for dresses, I got three beautiful dresses, and the first one that I have here is this blue bodycon dress. Love the pastel color and the detailing over it. The front part of the dress has pearls all over, and it has like some tiny silver thing going all over the dress. But this dress just gives me like major Frozen Elsa vibe. बहुत ज़्यादा pretty dress है, and the fitting, you guys, it looks so beautiful. The neckline, the fit, everything, even the length of the dress is very beautiful. I am 5'2" in case you want to get yourself a reference, but बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर dress है. The fabric is like satin, matlab the sheen of the fabric looks like satin, but it is not satin. It is like a shiny lycra mostly though. Next, I got this brown off-shoulder dress. Now this is a net dress which has like ruched pattern on the sides, and oh my god, this dress is just so flattering. The off-shoulder design is a bit uncomfortable to work with, but since the neck is proper, matlab thoda sa low hai, so you can still manage around it. But the side detailing of this dress looks so beautiful. It is flattering. Matlab if you have a similar body type to mine, then you can definitely go for this dress with eyes closed. Bahut sundar lega, and it is going to flatter your body type as well. I don't really have a brown dress in my wardrobe, so I was very excited to give this one a try, but I was very skeptical for the neck as well, because you know the wrap thing is there. I'm so glad it just fits perfectly and looks so stunning. And the last piece for this haul is this beautiful red midi dress. I was so excited to give this one a try because a red dress is always like a classic dress. The dress ka fitting is genuinely very nice. It actually fits you like a glove, but I just feel like the length of the dress isn't flattering for my height. So I'm very skeptical about that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, how this dress looks on me. Apart from the length part, I love everything about this dress. I was very excited. Matlab this was that one product, you know, that I had to try for myself, which I had zero doubts about, but then yahi dress mein matlab length ka issue ho gaya. But overall to yaar mujhe pasand aaya. The fabric is also very comfortable and soft. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and tell me in the comment section below which of these products are your favorite. All the product links are mentioned in the description as well as pinned in the caption, as pinned in the comment section as well. So dekh lena, and you can use the coupon code given on the screen to get additional discount, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon.